Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Get Coding. So today I'm going today we are going to build a calculator. How cool is that? So let's get started. First, open your Python shell and let's get started. First, we just want to do the basics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we want to put these in 4 sections. So I will be just using the hashtag. So what the hashtag does is it just leaves a comment. So instead of that, we will be using the definition. So I will define addition. Okay. Then you have to open and close the brackets and put a semicolon. So now everything will be automatically indented. You don't have to keep pressing the tab space. Now, so first we want to ask the user what number he wants to enter. So we're going to type a equals integer input and then open it and then say enter your first number, and then remember to close it twice. This is so you don't miss it out. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to copy this, then here paste it, but you're going to change this to b or any other variable you would like. I'm just using the b. Next, I'm going to put print the sum of the numbers is colon comma comma apostrophes, then comma, then you're going to write a plus b, close the bracket. So we are done with this. So you're going to leave it, and at the end, so when you're at print, when you press enter, you'll get an indent. So you need to press backspace and then say addition, or you can just copy this addition by just pressing Control C or Command C, depending on what uh, system you have, or go to File, sorry, Edit, and copy, and just paste it here by pressing Command V or Control V. Okay, so we're done with this. Now we just have to copy all of this, and then okay, so we have 4 of these. Now you're going to change this to subtraction. Change this to subtraction. So actually you need to change this to second also. Sorry. Second. And then change this to minus. Then this to multiplication. And the same thing. Change this to division. And this also to division. Then now we're going to make changes over here, second, and then change this to a star and this to a slash, which is the division symbol. Okay, so let's see if this works. So first you're going to save it. Okay, this has come up. I'm going to read it as calc underscore run or dash run. It is fine. And remember, Ubuntu users, please save it as .py or Raspberry Pi users .py. It's very important. I mean, Mac and Windows users also can use it to be. And then just click on run and run module. So let's see, this is the addition one. So let's enter the first number. I want help with 150 plus 236. So the number is it has given the answer as 386. So now it's subtraction. So see, I want an answer in negative. So minus 150 and minus 230. It is given in 80 because you're just adding them. So 150 minus 230 equals 80. So let's enter our first number. So this is multiplication. So 16 times 16, which is 16 squared, will become 256. So enter the first number for division. So 23 divided, so 23, and then it's asking a first number because I didn't change it. Great. So it's 23. So let me just change this. Sorry. Second number. Okay. So now, what if we want the user to only use division or well use division or multiplication or subtraction or whatever they want. Okay, so what we will be doing is you will add another definition by definition and name it as calc underscore run, calc underscore run. Okay, and then you're going to say q equals to input and then addition. We're just going to make it simpler. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay, so this is done. Now we're going to name it. If q equals a or a, so remember to put a string because it's a string, right? A colon, and then we have to invoke this. So copy this and then paste it. Now elif q equals to s or s, okay, colon subtraction. Okay, elif q equals to m colon multiplication. Next, elif q equals to d colon, you have to invoke division. Okay, else colon print goodbye. Okay, so we're done. So this code should work. I have checked them. So normally we put the calculator on the top, but I'm not going to do that because probably we will be getting a syntax error. So that's why I've put it at the last. So anyways, in my next post in my blog, I will show you other different kinds of, not only other than multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, but something like using powers, floor division, etc., etc. So we have done it. So I'm going to save it, and then it's asking my first number because first it has to finish all this code and then it will run. So I'm just going to keep on entering random numbers. Okay. This has not been invoked because I have left out calc run over here. So it's not going to invoke. I'm going to paste this and now it should work. Okay. Now it's asking A, S, M or D. So I want multiplication and go. So enter your first number 23 times 1, which will be equal to 23. So because everything has been invoked first, so it's able to invoke it currently. So I will just show you if what will happen if I just put this in here. So B, okay, and then I need to indent this, and then I'm going to delete this one and calc underscore run is fail. So normally it doesn't work. So let's go for subtraction. It is not going. So all this is being done and it's being invoked here. So let me remove this also. I have tried many calculator programs, but I have seen many of them just putting def calc underscore run and all of this code at the last. But I'm going to see what happens when I put it in the first. Run module. Okay. I want division. Okay. So it doesn't work. So that's one reason I think why they always put it at last. So um so that's it, I think. This is how we build a calculator, but this is going to go at last. Okay, and remove all the indents. Delete. So we just have to remove everything. So this works. Oh, why is this working? ASMRD. Okay, addition 12. Oh, okay. Now I understand. After I removed everything and invoked it here, it's getting invoked now. So good. Everything works. So this is how you make a calculator where the person goes. So enter your first number, 1, 1, the answer is 1. So this is how you build a calculator while asking the user what he wants to do. So yes, I've done it. Yay. And this is how you can make your calculator. So peace out, be careful, and like, share, subscribe.